Think the economy is too bad to invest in? Think again. If you're looking to invest money, but don't know where to start, or you are a seasoned investor who likes to stay on top of advancements in the market, watch this video in full to find what it takes to make yourself some money. Anyone can benefit from the tips below, and we hope you learn as much as you can. Before you jump into the stock market, watch and learn first. You should have a good amount of knowledge before you get into the stock market. If it's possible, you should keep an eye on the movement trends over a 3-year periods, using historical data for past years as you see fit. By regularly observing the market, you will have an idea of what you're getting yourself into and what is normal in terms of market fluctuations. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. If you are the owner of any common stocks, exercise your shareholder voting rights. Dependent on the company's charter, you might have the right to vote on certain proposals or to elect directors. Voting often occurs by proxy or at the annual meeting of shareholders. Do not let your emotions control your buying and selling decisions. While it can be unbearable to watch your stocks soar and plummet, it is important to be patient. Make your decisions in a methodical, deliberate way, and choose investment vehicles that align with the level of risk you are comfortable with. You are now prepared to enter or return to the wonderful world of investing. Weigh your investments, watch the markets and stay on top of all the information available, in order to help you maximize your profits while minimizing your risk. The greatest investors are those who never stop learning and strive to succeed. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.